So this morning we drove from Valkenburg over here to Noorbeek. We go by bus back to Epen, and then from Epen we will be walking back to Noorbeek. It's going to be a beautiful walk with two hills in it. It is a bit hazy this morning, and that may affect the panorama views. Come on, let's go. Walking through the countryside. We are entering Belgium. Think about it. Nobody here, no immigration, no nothing. Let's continue. And we walk, still in Belgium, along a forest. ZuidLimburg. Here you can clearly see how they build these houses. The wood, the branches filled with clay and straw, and they seal it off. Border post. We are going back into the Netherlands. So we covered a little bit over 12 kilometers today. We went first through the farmland, we ended up in forest, and after that we came back into farmland. It was across the border from Netherlands to Belgium and back to the Netherlands. It was a wonderful trip, and I'd like to see you next time again.